The best Vivid Money Cashback method begins by focusing on how the app structures rewards through its partner system and category-based incentives. Vivid offers cashback in dollars based on specific merchants, rotating reward slots, and boosted categories. To maximize returns, the process starts with activating the highest value partner offers inside the app before making any purchase. These offers frequently include travel platforms, tech stores, everyday retail brands, and subscription services. Selecting the right partners ensures every transaction immediately generates the maximum available cashback rate. The next step uses the Vivid Super Deals and Boosted Cashback options. These allow users to multiply their cashback percentages when they achieve simple spending milestones. Once unlocked, super deals can push cashback rewards far higher than standard rates. To maintain this boost, purchases are spaced across different eligible partners rather than concentrated in one area. This keeps reward opportunities from expiring and ensures consistent growth. Another essential component of the best cashback method is creating dedicated pockets inside the app. Each pocket acts like a mini account tied to a specific goal: travel, food delivery, household expenses, or online shopping. Connecting each pocket to a partnered merchant redirects spending into cashback-eligible flows. For example, a pocket dedicated to tech purchases might be linked to merchants offering $10 to $20 cashback on selected items. This system keeps spending organized while making sure no cashback-eligible transaction is misplaced. The final piece involves converting earned cashback directly inside the Stock Rewards feature. Cashback stored in this section can grow in value if linked to market-based rewards. Instead of withdrawing immediately, users allow the balance to appreciate. Over time, cashback that started at a few dollars can rise based on market performance, increasing total returns without extra effort. This method produces steady cashback growth, optimized rewards, and long-term value from every eligible transaction on Vivid Money.